Hey guys, welcome to this WhatsApp guide, and here I will detail how to fix couldn't place call, try again. So if you're trying to put a call through on WhatsApp and you are slammed with could not place call, try again, so you just need to just click on OK, and then the WhatsApp call will disappear again. Then you should see call failed. Now to fix this, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first approach to take to fix couldn't place call, try again on WhatsApp is go to your phone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on apps. So apps or application. So scroll down and click on apps. On the apps page, you want to locate the WhatsApp application itself. So just scroll down until you get to WhatsApp. Keep scrolling. Until you get to WhatsApp, click on it. Once you get to WhatsApp on this page, come to WhatsApp page and then tap storage. On the storage page, tap clear cache at the bottom right. Then once you clear the cache at the bottom right, then exit this page. Then that's one of the ways you can use to fix can't place call on WhatsApp when you try to make a video call or voice call. Then open the Play Store on your phone. On the Play Store page, click on the profile icon at the top right. Then click on Manage Apps and Device. Once you click on Manage Apps and Device, wait for update to complete, then click on See Details. Once you hit the See Details button, if you have the WhatsApp application update pending here, just go ahead and tap Update or click on Update All to update all the application you have pending on your phone. So once the WhatsApp application update is completed, you can now go ahead and open the WhatsApp app, then click on any of the contacts and then place your video call. You see that? Then this will help to fix can't place call, try again on the WhatsApp application on your device. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.